Welcome, my Magick Lotus tribe. We are unboxing Earth Magick from Steven D.Farmer. And it does come with a booklet, descriptions of each card. And the box is pretty sturdy. And on the back, it shows us a little illustration and a little bit about the author and what to expect from this oracle deck. This is an oracle deck, not a tarot. And I'm going to show you the stock of the paper is pretty thick. It's not a thin cardboard paper, so it's really, when you're shuffling, it's not flimsy at all. And I'm going to show you each card so you can get a glimpse of the deck. Enjoy. This is the last card for the Earth Magick Oracle deck from Steven Farmer. It is my favorite oracle. Thank you so much, my Magick Lotus tribe, for joining me today. Please subscribe and comment below and let me know your thoughts on this deck, and enjoy the view. Blessed be.